Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ge Opal 2.0 ice maker to Wi-Fi. First, download the Smart HQ app to your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your Opal ice maker is plugged in and powered on. It is also important to have your home Wi-Fi network name and password handy, as you will need them during the setup process. This initial preparation will make the connection seamless and quick. Now open the Smart HQ app on your device. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Once inside the app, look for the Add Appliance option, usually found on the home screen or in the settings. Select the Opal Ice Maker from the list. The app will then guide you through the initial steps to prepare for pairing your ice maker. To put your Opal ice maker into pairing mode, locate the Clean button on the front panel. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You will notice the Wi-Fi indicator light on the Opal begin to flash, which means it is ready to connect. Confirm this flashing light within the Smart HQ app to ensure both devices are ready to establish a connection. Finally, within the Smart HQ app, you will be prompted to enter your home Wi-Fi network name and its corresponding password. Once this information is entered and confirmed, the Opal's Wi-Fi indicator light will turn solid, signifying a successful connection. You can now enjoy the full benefits of your smart ice maker, including remote control, scheduling, and monitoring, all from the convenience of your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.